Action. Wait a second.
Get started.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
There you go. Okay, cut.
Okay, young man, guys.
I don't know exactly how we're going to get them over these.
Okay, unfold it. Unfold it. It goes the other way now. Okay, yeah. There you go.
There you go.
The tarp's been laid out. We've fitted it over the two pipes coming out of the roof, and it's ready for water. Okay, we're done filling with water, using a garden hose. We've got a ring all the way around to hold the tarp in place. Now we're going to put some tape around these to make them watertight. This tarp took approximately 45 minutes to put in, 2 people. Using tape, we've gone around this. It's pretty hard to see because it's black. Everything's black. But we put tape around it, these holes, because we couldn't get the bonnets off. This installation took approximately 1 hour to put this tarp up. No fasteners, held down so the hurricane won't blow it off by water.
Dominic is.
And Larry?
Larry is in New Orleans, I believe.